Hello everyone. Today's video is an in-depth look around the flood field, of which the water's diminishing at a fairly fast pace now. At the time of filming this, on Monday evening, the pumps had pumped 10.14 million litres. I thought it would be quite interesting to have a really good look around this field. As you can see, people have been walking over this area. I can only presume that's to move the suction pipe. Have a little look at the staircase as well while we're over here, from when we had the up close shots a few days ago. The water has reduced slightly. To think a few weeks ago, the water was up more or less at the height of the base of that tree. It's probably dropped by 7 or 8 foot now. As you can see, a lot of the scrub has been taken off that embankment. What are these two birds here? If anyone knows, please do comment. I have an idea what they might be, but I'm not very good with species of birds. Anyone can comment, greatly appreciated. I know those two. And before anyone says I'm too close to the birds, I would zoom right in, so I was a fair distance away, to be fair. This is going over towards the raised part that went to the old mill, as we think. That was a stick that was put in by the workers to show that the water was actually receding when pumping first started. I don't think I've looked at this half of the flood field very much, so I'll have a quick flight around this too. Obviously this hasn't gone down as much because the mill roadway has separated it, so this is actually a lot higher, the water is, than the breach side, if you like. As you can see here, it's a considerable drop. Something's caught my attention there. I'll just zoom in and have a little look. Something's blue. It's not really meant to be there. Well, there's a lot of things that are meant to be there, but that almost looks like a piece of timber off a boat. Possibly that would have supported the canvas cover on the front of a boat, possibly. Anyone know any better, please do comment. Thank you for everyone who subscribed, really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please do. And if you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee link is in the description. Don't feel you need to do that. Subscribing is the most important to me as a channel. Someone asked me about this blue rope, what the blue rope's for. I presume that's for pulling in the suction pipe, so you don't need to pull on the actual pipe, possibly. I'll follow it down. It seems to lead down and then disappear here. Let's have a look for it. There it is. It seems to be going in the general direction of the buoyancy aid on the suction pipe. I did show these in a previous video, but the footage was lost. So I think these just clamp around the actual pipe in two halves that bolt together. Work our way back and have a look at the pump quickly. I did say about these signs on one of my other videos, but we'll just turn around and have a look at them. They're all around this flood field now. As you can imagine, the mud in this field, with it being wet for so long, will be quite thick. So there's warning signs all round both parts, the higher and the lower part, to warn people of that. Even though it's in a fenced off area, they shouldn't really be there. And that's me up there, within eyesight of my drone, of course. The pump and the fuel cell with a spill kit on, just in case there's any accidents. Just pop over and have a look at the sediment trap and the grid. It's going down again. And whilst you have a look at that, I'll quickly thank you for watching the video, and if I finish doing a bit more work on my shed base, I'll try and do you another evening update, so look out for that one. Thank you.